Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well, and today we have a pretty interesting topic for a video experiment. One day I was driving this wonderful car, and as you can see I crashed it, and accidentally hit the headlight switch, and the car showed me this. Of course I knew that these cars have retractable headlights, but now let's conduct an experiment. Were these headlights really appropriate? Did they make the aerodynamics so much better to reduce the car's acceleration to 100 km per hour or increase the maximum speed? I think you understand the topic of today's video, so let's get started. First, a little bit of theory. These lights were first used in 1936 on the American car Ford 810 to make the car more attractive. But these lights were widely used only in the 1970s. This type of headlights was used by many well-known car brands and, frankly speaking, I like the design. It looks unusual. Why are retractable headlights not used now? Well, there are a number of reasons. First of all is electricity consumption of these headlights. Electric retractable headlights use additional electricity for the opening and closing mechanism. With the increasing focus on fuel efficiency and emissions reduction, automakers have been looking for more efficient ways to provide lighting. The second reason is reliability and maintenance. Mechanical opening and closing mechanisms could be sensitive to breakdowns and required additional maintenance. Modern lighting technologies such as discharge lamps and LEDs have become more reliable and durable. And would you like to see cars with opening lights come back into production? Write in the comments, I'm interested to know your opinion. Well, we have covered the theory, so let's move on to practice. We will have 3 stages of the test. First on ordinary non-speed cars, then on sport cars, and then on racing cars. Let's see what effect open lights will have on acceleration and maximum speed. We will talk about the exact results a little later, after the test on racing cars, where aerodynamics plays a very important role. But right now, after the first 2 tests, we can say that the car with the headlights open had slightly slower acceleration to 100 km per hour and a slightly lower top speed. So let's take a look at the results. On standard cars the difference is quite small. Acceleration to 100 km per hour difference only by half a second. The top speed is almost the same. Almost the same picture is with sport cars, but the difference is a little bigger. When we move on to racing cars, the difference is quite noticeable. Seeing the maximum speed of these cars is the same, I decided that it would be better to measure how long it takes for the car to accelerate to top speed. And we can see that the difference in them is as much as 1 second. For racing cars this is important. Even though we didn't change any parts, we just switched on the headlights. Now you can look at the results by yourself and draw your own conclusions. So actually we have finished the experiment. I hope you like it and learned something new and useful for you. If so, please put a like on this video, and you can also subscribe, because I still have many interesting ideas for you. I also wanted to thank you very much for your activity on the channel. We have recently reached 150 subscribers and I'm very grateful for this. It really supports me and motivates me for my future work. I am also very motivated by your comments. I am very pleased to read them. They make me smile. I am very glad that someone likes my work, and of course I will continue to make these videos. I also have another good news for you. Recently the channel reached 20,000 total views. It's also very great, very nice, and now we are close to the 25,000 views mark. This is also very nice and very cool. Thank you all for your support and for watching. See you soon in the new videos.